Hello everyone, today we are going to be making Italian Panini. 300 of bread flour, 16 grams of sugar, 3 grams of dry yeast, and then stir it. Warm water should be like body temperature. The reason why I am telling warm water because it will activate the yeast. If water is too hot, your yeast won't work anymore. So please be careful of the temperature. I normally use microwave and heat it up for 10 to 12 seconds. Then you can add 6 grams of salt. After that, add 16 grams of olive oil. Since I am tired, so I started using fingers. It is getting look like dough. I like this kneading process. I imagine how shape of a bread will be. After 3 to 4 minutes kneading, it gets smoother. Let's wait for 40 minutes or until dough is double size. While you're waiting for it, you can go to your garden to pick basil. Pick them as much as you want. Unfortunately, I screwed up raising tomatoes, so I bought grape tomatoes in grocery stores. Cut grape tomatoes in half. See? Dough is getting big. Sprinkle flour on board. And dump the dough on it, putting flour on every surface of dough so that it will not be sticky. Cut in half and press and stretch it with a stick. It would be better to stretch out as much as you can. Cut grape tomatoes. Shred mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, basil, fold the dough and put the other side together. Do the same thing on the both side. Okay, it is ready to cook on the pan. Place bread on the pan. Flip the bread. Grill it for 2 to 3 minutes and it is ready now. It is pretty crispy outside and cheese is melting inside. You can take this and go for picnic. I love picnic lunch. I'll see you there.